Oh, I think she's gonna flip or something.
I'm gonna try. It's like
Look, there's like grass and shit. Yeah, that fucking hurts, especially when you roll. What the fuck? It looks like she snapped her neck. Vicky, you gotta jump on it.
It worked?
A little.
Oh, I hurt my knee.
Yeah, it fucking hurts. I'm gonna like scratch it all the way up my ass.
Scratch my arm.
You right there, Vicky? Go, Marissa.
Gotta get the Julian.
Jump in! Jump in! Oh, you suck. Hurry up so I can stop this one.